Hi, AP students. Nice to see you guys. I just wanted to give you guys an update on the AP test and how we're going to go through week 2 assignments here. First of all, what I'd like you to do is go ahead and watch another quick video of me explaining what to do for some outstanding grades that you might have, and then take that quiz, but do this first. And then as you get into week 2, I kind of had to change a couple things because we finally got the update from AP about what the exam is going to be like. And the exam is going to be held on May 20th at noon. And you'll be typing the essay. And it is rhetorical analysis. But that means that, like I said in an earlier video, no synthesis, no argument, no multiple choice. And so that then kind of shifts my focus for us in the next 7 weeks here to preparing you for that experience. And so that means that this community unit that we were going through was definitely more argument based. And I guess I was kind of hoping that the AP test would be argument. So I'm going to change that just a little bit. And so the essays I'm going to assign you to write for rhetorical analysis will have kind of a community focus. And I might pop in a discussion about, how does this answer our essential questions? But really our focus needs to be rhetorical analysis and finding out how authors who are writing a variety of pieces, perhaps on community and social responsibility, how are they what's their purpose and how are they communicating that? How are they being convincing? What strategies are they using? And so I will put in a bunch of resources to this, to week 2, and then as we go through it. But for now, your assignments are this. It says complete community videos. Do not do that. I will have changed that by the time you see this. But one of the other things that is a great resource for you guys is to go to College Board and watch a video about how to approach soapstone, the rhetorical situation, which is, of course, the speaker, the subject, and the audience, those 3 specifically. That's that triangle, you may remember. What's the relationship between the subject, the audience, and the speaker? So there's a long video, and it's an AP teacher walking you through how to, as a student, approach a text from that lens. I think it's really useful. Then you'll see in this folder next week that I'll have a rhetorical analysis essay for you to write. It'll be due on Friday, and it'll be a PDF. You could print it so you could annotate it. Of course, you can't really have that on the AP test, but as we kind of practice, that would be okay. Otherwise, you'll be reading it, thinking about it, what are the choices that the author's making, and then you'll write an essay in Google Docs and share it with me. Okay, again, this folder will look a little different because I'll have some updated instructions for you there. So again, AP test, rhetorical analysis, 45 minutes, May 20th at noon. That is the information I can give to you right now. And because of that, we're going to kind of change how we're going to approach the community unit. And it's all for me to help you get ready for the AP test in May. And so that'll be a lot of our focus. And yes, you'll be writing some essays from a variety of different platforms: Khan Academy, AP Classroom, College Board. Try to mix it up for you so that make sure we kind of engage with all the resources that are available to me and to you. Email me if you have questions or put it on the discussion board, and we will be in touch. See you soon.